Hello there, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm here to share with you some viewer submitted cards using the July 2019 sheet load of cards. I hope you'll stick around and see what everyone made. I am so excited that you stopped by today. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for me to share viewer submitted cards using the July 2019 sheet load of cards. This is something I do every month, so make sure that if you want to join us for the August viewer submission video, to check out the video in the description box below called Show Us Your Sheet Load. Each month there are 3 ways that you can share your cards with me: via email, Instagram, or a YouTube video. In this video, I will be sharing pictures that I received via email and through Instagram. To see what people created and made videos of, make sure to check out the July 2019 Show Us Your Sheet Load playlist linked in the description box below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and see what everyone created. Wasn't that so fun? I loved seeing your cards and hearing how much you enjoyed the sheet load this month. I will be back on August 1st with a new issue of Sheet Load of Cards. If you enjoyed my video today and you're looking forward to the August sheet load, I hope you'll give my video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you were inspired to click on that subscribe button below and maybe even tap on that bell for notifications. To all my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for stopping back by. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.